turning on the street where we live.
Look at the beautiful ocean.
Step.
This is my first time videotaping,
Step.
if you can't tell. Oops, I lost his head for a second. Hi,
Ow.
baby.
Step. Hi. Step. Step.
There's our baby, my baby. Looking at me looking crazy because I don't know how to videotape. But we're having fun.
On your right hand, your fingers on your right hand.
I know, I just zoomed into you. I'm up close. There is
It's just my place. It's
A1C patent. See, here we're considered to be dependents and spouses. No one really important. So my friends and I who are spouses are going to get hats that say dependent. Just a joke, you know?
See our kind of like side yard?
This is our side yard.
Hey, Snow. Hey, Snow. Hey, Snowy. Snowy's a sweet cat. Anyway, I came up here not only to show you Snowy, but I also wanted to show you the view out of our bedroom window. Let's take a look. May have to backlight this a little bit. You can see we're on a fence. The ocean's out there. On the other side of the fence, that belongs to Portuguese folks. They have farm animals over there every so often. Kind of bright. Again, you got the trees and you got the ocean. And then Portuguese houses over there. We're on the edge of base housing on one end of it. But I think we did pretty good for a bedroom window view.